Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making pumpkin bajji or pumpkin fritters. Pumpkin bajji is a nice party snack or simply a starter. But you can make them at any time with little effort. First of all, I washed the pumpkin and cut them into thin slices. Not like paper thin, but just like how we cut the potato for bajjis. I spread them on a kitchen towel and dabbed with a paper towel to remove some moisture. Take 1 cup of besan in a bowl. Besan is also called chickpea flour or gram flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, some sea salt, 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Carom seeds are also called vamu in Telugu. Crush them between your palms and add it to the chickpea flour. Mix them well. To this add 1 tablespoon of hot oil and mix it again. This hot oil will help to get crispy bajji. To this add water little by little and mix the batter. This batter cannot be too loose or too thick. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it again. Now whisk this vigorously for a few seconds to get a smooth batter. Keep this aside for 10 minutes. Heat some oil in a skillet for deep fry. Here I am using coconut oil. I don't make too many deep fries, but when I do, I use very less amount of oil so that I won't be left with too much leftover oil. This is the consistency of the batter. It should coat like this. When the oil is hot, take a piece of pumpkin, dip it in the batter, let it coat on both sides and carefully drop it in the hot oil. If you like to watch my pumpkin pakodi recipe, it will be on my Telugu channel. I will give the link below. When they are fried on one side, turn them to the other side. Add more bajjis to the oil, and when they are golden brown on both sides, remove them from the oil carefully and put them on the paper towel. Continue the process with the remaining batter. Pumpkin bajji can be served with your favorite chutney or sauce. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try this new simple snack recipe and give me your feedback. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Check out my website at sisrekhaskitchen.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page.